listeners, it's me, Lillian, and I'm here with Comet. The reason why I'm laughing so hard is because we're doing a build-up for Halloween one, and I accidentally paused it, and then I didn't realise I actually didn't pause it. I just ended the So now you're just looking at the video, and I'm halfway done. Okay guys, I'm sorry if you're watching this and you think I'm about to die. I'm probably gonna die, but I'm not dying yet.
No, you will die in the future because you'll die of how amazing my build is.
No, I'll die because of how much I love it. The viewers are probably just like, they're crazy.
The viewers probably like, oh my god, I can tell why they're adopted.
Disclaimer, we aren't actually adopted.
Neither am I. I hope.
5 seconds later, one of the TikTok things come true where you actually see who your soulmate is, and then you realise you share the same mother.
What are we doing?
Your mother the next day, you're adopted.
What are we doing again?
I don't know. Oh yeah, Halloween build off.
Alright. Why is this light bulb so long?
I don't know, why is it so long?
Oh, shut up though.
So guys, as you can tell, I have COVID.
Then why are you coming to school?
Disclaimer, I don't actually have COVID. How many
What?
disclaimers are there going to be in this video?
Ridiculous.
Oh, I did the cabinets too soon. The cabinets won't go over the fridge.
How many rooms have you done though?
I'm still working on my first room,
So.
which is the kitchen.
I'm still in my bedroom and it's tiny. It's literally the tiniest room ever. Oh my god.
It's literally the tiniest room in Headland. Oh god. Oh yeah,
my God.
in history when we were in school, right, we had to draw our version of heaven, and I just put Starbucks and McDonald's.
Your history teacher must like you.
And then literally they picked out on me, and I was like, I don't want to do it. And he was like, yeah, you have to do it. And I was like, okay, fine. And he was like, what did you write? And I said, McDonald's.
Did he laugh or something?
No.
Oh.
Oh yeah, when we were watching, you know the video clips.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they walked into the church, there was this whole music, and literally this one kid in our history class just literally started going, oh! It was so weird. Sound like a crying dog. And you sounded like a dying pig just then.
My laugh sounds literally like someone that's about to choke.
Your laugh smells.
How did it smell?
I don't know.
We have great friends. When you realize you already spent $220 on your bedroom. Do you think we're going to go to a therapist soon?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm going to
Knock.
fix that. Who's there?
Human.
Human who?
Human sees you.
What?
I know, it's that funny you don't even get it. I need a plate, man. Oh.
Okay. So technically what I just did is spent like about $1 trillion on my bedroom, and it's not even good.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pause the video here. Hopefully I don't end it again. But I'm gonna pause the video here, and then I'll record when we've both finished our houses. We finally finished our houses. This is mine. That's Michaela's. We're gonna. Whose do you want to look at first?
Obviously yours, because yours is the one that actually finished, because I'm too late to finish mine.
Okay, I'll unlock it so you can get in.
I don't know. So technically you just let us spawn right onto it.
Yeah, because you're dinner. No. Here's a living room, which I did not want to spend like my hours on.
Obviously.
Here's the kitchen with some spider wallpaper. Yeah.
You call my wallpaper.
No, you call me my wallpaper. Okay, let's go up the stairs to the dead room. The reason why I call it a dead room is because of the poor noob is next to a bunch of knives and a skull. Anyways, and then the most luxurious bathroom ever.
You haven't even moved anything.
I know, I don't want to bother to do the bathroom. Yours isn't any better, is
That
it?
is a nice house.
Oh, I
That was
forgot.
a very nice house.
Never mind, let's just go.
That was a very nice house.
Thank you.
My house. Spooky. Spooky. This is my loveliest house. And here you have a nice, lovely person staring at you having a bath.
Oh my god, I just did the most evil laugh ever. I'm going upstairs.
And upstairs, there is absolutely nothing.
Oh my god, Michaela, god.
And then I would rather do this in Bloxburg because there's literally nothing to do.
Okay guys, well stay tuned for my next video which will be in Bloxburg. A build off in Bloxburg. Oh yeah!